Say this with confidence and see the difference. Did you know that using just 2 simple words can completely change how women see you? Most people overlook the impact of clear, confident communication. Today, I'm going to reveal the incredible power of saying, "I want," and how it can help you attract and connect with any woman you're interested in. This might sound simple, but don't underestimate it. When used effectively, these words can shift the way others perceive you and make you stand out as someone who knows what they want and isn't afraid to express it. Now, these aren't magic words, but I can promise that by using "I want" the right way, you'll notice a big difference in how women respond to you. So, stick around. I'll guide you through exactly how to apply this in real-life situations. Why these words matter. Let's get into the psychology behind why "I want" is so powerful. Confidence and decisiveness are universally attractive traits, and they signal qualities like leadership, ambition, and self-assurance. These words help convey that you're clear-minded and capable of taking charge, which are traits that many women find irresistible. By simply saying what you want in a confident way, you make her feel like she's with someone who can make decisions and lead the way. Support the channel. If you're finding this valuable, please take a second to like this video and subscribe. It might seem small, but your support helps me keep delivering this kind of content. It also lets YouTube's algorithm know that this video is worth sharing, so more people can learn these techniques. Why men often get this wrong. A lot of guys get caught up in thinking that being easygoing or overly accommodating is a good strategy. They end up saying things like, "I don't know, whatever you want is fine." While this might seem polite, it often has the opposite effect, making you appear indecisive or uncertain about your own desires. Think about it. If you don't know what you want, how can you expect her to feel drawn to you? When you're vague or overly flexible, it sends the signal that you're not confident, and that can cause her interest to drop. Understanding what women are really attracted to this brings us to a crucial insight. What women find attractive isn't just appearance or charm, it's confidence, clarity, and assertiveness. That's where the phrase, "I want," comes into play. These words provide a sense of clarity and direction, something that every woman appreciates. When you say, "I want," you're giving her a glimpse of your strength and self-assuredness. Putting it into practice. Real-life examples. Let's make this actionable. I'm going to show you how to use "I want" in everyday interactions, with examples that make a real difference. Imagine you're inviting someone out for a date. Instead of saying something hesitant like, "Maybe we could hang out sometime if you're free," try something confident like, "I want to take you out to dinner this Friday." This one change tells her that you're decisive and interested, without sounding like you're begging for her time. Or when you're starting a conversation with someone you like, skip the uncertainty. Instead of saying, "I thought maybe we could talk sometime," go with, "I want to get to know you better. How about a coffee this week?" The direct approach shows you're genuinely interested and aren't afraid to make it clear. Women respect a man who can be upfront without being overly aggressive. A quick intermission, magnetic messages. Now here's something for you to think about. Have you ever wondered if one text could instantly grab her attention, making her think about you non-stop? Imagine sending a message so impactful it makes her look forward to the next time you'll meet. Well, it's possible. There are specific phrases that, when used correctly, can leave a lasting impression. Want to know more? Click the link below to find out how to get these magnetic messages and start seeing real results in your dating life. Using "I want" in a relationship. For those already in a relationship, "I want" is equally powerful. As relationships grow, maintaining clear communication is essential. If you want to show your partner you're serious about spending time together, avoid vague statements like, "Whatever you want to do this weekend is fine." Instead, say something like, "I want to spend more time with you this weekend. Let's make some plans." This approach demonstrates that you value the relationship and aren't afraid to take the lead. Confidence versus arrogance. A quick word of caution. Using "I want" is about showing confidence, not arrogance. If you're too rigid or pushy, it can quickly come off as controlling or self-centered. The goal is to show that you're clear about your intentions, but also flexible enough to consider her preferences. So, if you suggest a date and she proposes another day, respond with, "Sure, I understand. How about Saturday instead?" This balance of assertiveness and flexibility creates an atmosphere of mutual respect, creating space for open communication. Saying "I want" isn't just about you. It actually creates room for her to express her own desires. When you're open and honest, you're giving her the freedom to be the same. This leads to a deeper connection based on respect and clarity. Healthy relationships thrive on open dialogue, and by modeling this, you're setting a solid foundation for both of you. Tone and delivery matter. Now here's a key part: how you say it. The tone of your voice and your body language are just as important as the words themselves. Saying "I want" with a relaxed and open tone conveys confidence without coming off as demanding. Avoid sounding authoritarian. Instead, keep your tone kind, clear, and respectful. A warm, positive attitude makes your words even more effective. Challenge time. Practice makes perfect. I want to give you a challenge. Try using the phrase "I want" at least 5 times a day for the next week. It doesn't matter if it's in small situations or bigger ones. The key is to build that habit of speaking with clarity and confidence. You can practice it with friends, colleagues, or even during everyday tasks. When you start saying "I want" with genuine intent, you'll see how people respond differently to you. They'll respect your opinions more, and you'll naturally come across as someone who knows what they want out of life. Wrapping up, the power of taking action. As we come to the end of this video, remember, the secret is to take action. Knowing the technique is only half the journey. Apply it. Comment below with how you plan to use "I want" this week, and at the end of the week, come back and let us know what results you've seen. I'd love to hear about your experiences, and I'm sure others will benefit from your insights too. Thank you for sticking around till the end. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comments by saying, "I am the best version of myself." Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. It keeps me motivated to keep bringing you content that helps you grow. So, express yourself freely, stay positive, and remember, small changes in communication can lead to big transformations in your relationships. See you next time.